Welcome back to my channel Pharma as well. This is Devi Sarojini. Now I will discuss about what is contamination, what is cross contamination, are they both the same or both are different? Let's discuss in this video. Let's discuss in this video clearly. Contamination and cross contamination are terminologies, both are used in pharmaceutical industries. Let's discuss about these clearly. When products undesirably come into contact with or mix with other products or their parts, this is called contamination. Contamination can occur in starting materials or products due to contact with other related products. The risk of accidental contamination may arise from the uncontrolled release of dust, gases, particles, vapors, sprays, organism in process products in the area, residues on equipment or operator clothing and skin. The significance of contamination risk varies depending on the type of contamination, contaminants and the product being contaminated. Contaminants. What are contaminants? Contaminants can be impurities, products, or substances unrelated to the manufactured product, such as foreign products, particulate matter, microorganisms, and endotoxin. What is contamination? I already told that contamination occurs when chemicals, microbial substances, or foreign matter are unintentionally introduced into a starting material or intermediate during production, and also in sampling, packaging, storage, and transport. This is called contamination. Now let's talk about cross contamination. What is cross contamination? A little difference between cross contamination and contamination. Let's discuss that. What is cross contamination? Cross contamination contaminates the starting, intermediate, or finished products with other materials during production. Sources of cross contamination are like this. It may be due to poor design and operation of air handling systems that are in production and dust extraction systems. Inadequate procedure for personnel and equipment, not proper cleaning of equipment. These are all the sources of cross contamination. Generally these are all sources of cross contamination. Now let's talk about how to minimize cross contamination. Cross contamination may be minimized by using closed production systems, applying a cleaning validation procedure, by maintaining the level of a production that is being manufactured, adequate premises, installing correct air pressure in systems like cascade airlock. These are the ways to minimize cross contamination. Next one, dust control is an important for controlling contamination and cross contamination in pharmaceutical manufacturing areas. Whenever possible, promptly remove dust or vapor contaminants by identifying their source. Drawback of contamination hazards in pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceutical manufacturers are required to the validated cleaning procedure, AHU system, air cascade, and personal movements to ensure the production of good quality products throughout their life cycle. Failure to prevent contamination and cross contamination can lead to a loss in a customer faith or satisfaction from the investors, loss of market values, loss in money, and direct consequences from regulatory bodies. These are all the losses for the contamination hazards in pharmaceuticals. The system or equipment shall be validated to prevent the product from contamination and cross contamination. Cleaning validation of equipment and area with a well-defined procedure shall be maintained. Using the cleaning validation approach, we can easily identify any discrepancies or loops in a system. This is all about contamination and cross contamination and drawback of contamination and Contaminants. What are the contaminants in pharmaceutical industry? I hope you understand. If you want more videos like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.